Split the large CSV into multiple small files. Cloud storage has a limit on file size. It is necessary to split a large CSV file into smaller files of no more than 5 megabytes. Each file after splitting must have field names on the first row. The first and last data rows should be complete, and the row of data cannot be split into two files. When programming, simply segmenting by byte count won't work, as it could split a row in half. We also need to consider scenarios where the file is too large to fit into memory and must be read gradually. This can make the overall code cumbersome. SPL has a dedicated splitting function, making it easy to handle this task with just 3 lines. A1 defines file object. A2 calculates the number of small files, divides the file size by 5 million, and adds 1 to ensure that each small file is slightly less than 5 megabytes. A3 splits the large file into A2 segments and writes them out in loop. A2 parentheses is a SPL specific loop function that will execute the code in parentheses A2 times. If A2 is 5, then the T function in A3 will be executed 5 times, where tilde represents the loop variable, and it will loop in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The T function writes data to files, with the first parameter being the target file name, where slash represents the string concatenation. When tilde is equal to 3, the file name orders 3.csv will be concatenated. The second parameter is the data to be written out, and the cursor function gradually fetches the data in a cursor manner to prevent memory overflow. Cursor can also read data in segments. When the parameter after the semicolon is 3:5, it means that the large file will be divided into 5 segments, and it will get the third segment. SPL's segmentation ensures row integrity, and does not split the row of data into 2 segments. The @T option indicates that this large file has a title. When the cursor function fetches data, it splits the data within a row by default and generates a 2-dimensional table to facilitate subsequent calculations. But there is no computational requirement for the current task, so there is no need to split the intra-row data. Use the @S option to indicate that the entire row is read as a string without splitting, reducing unnecessary actions and improving performance. SPL has more examples of this kind. Welcome to like and follow.